Welcome to my kitchen this morning as I crack a lot of eggs. We have chickens and we are looking into ways of preserving our eggs for the winter. We are new to raising chickens, and last winter we ended up having to buy eggs because they slowed down so much, and we ended up not rationing them as well as we could have. And so here we're trying to do Ziploc bags full of eggs to serve as scrambled eggs. And then I've learned a way to help your chickens have better calcium intake by just crushing up all of their eggs so that they don't recognize what they are. And those eggshells you can feed right back to the chickens. And so that's what I'm doing here. And you dry them out on the skillet, and that helps to cut them into small pieces. You don't want the chickens to know that they're eating their own eggs, because that could be a bad habit to get later. Just heading out to feed all of these to the chickens, and I'll show you a little garden tour as well. Hi. Hi. This is a section here that's gotten out of hand, but we have enjoyed a few sunflowers. We have moved to this area just about a year and a half ago. We have 20 acres just outside of town, and we are absolutely loving it. We are hobby farmers just getting started. We have a couple of cows and chickens, and dogs and cats and a bunny, but we are just loving all the learning that we can do. Eggshells, chickens. Yeah. This is our rooster, Eddie. Buddy. Buddy. This is my second year working with a garden, and I'll tell you, it's such a learning curve, but I'm really enjoying the sunflowers that are popping up. I started all of this from seed, and I think next year I'm going to work on starting things in the house, and then I'll have seedlings to work with. But we've had so much rain, as I'm sure others of you have, so that's made it a challenge in some ways. Coming to check on the ladies. We have two that are trying to hatch some eggs. Last year they both did a batch, and so we thought we'll let them try again. They've been trying to be broody, but we just did check on her eggs last night. We candled them, and they're about a week old, and we can see the blood vessels, so that's a good sign. And then this one right here, we haven't checked hers yet. They're only a few days old, but I've been trying to do a little makeshift nesting box, because with two taking up these boxes, it's only leaving one for any of the hens that want to lay eggs. So that causes kind of a problem here and there with the ladies not having enough room. But luckily we still have some that are laying eggs to keep up the production. With these two not, it's a little bit less eggs, but we're at a good spot to do this with a lot in storage. Good girls. Good girls, doggies. Thank you for following along today, and please ask any questions or comments. And I look forward to connecting with you guys.